Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Redis database on Ubuntu. So basically I'm using Ubuntu 22.04 version, and on official site you can see it looks something like this. We can go to get started and check whether we have option for repository. If there is, we can use that, otherwise we can use one of these two methods. So there is option for snapcraft, right? Simply using snap installation, or you can use this curl method. So what we can do is we will use this curl method and see if it works for us, right? So let's open terminal, and here you see our first curl command to fetch key for Redis, right? So copy it and within terminal paste it. Use tab to go to the end. Now let's hit enter and see how it works. Okay, it is asking me to check for software updater. Let me close this. Now that we have added this key, next thing we can check whether everything has worked, right? So copy this line, again go to terminal, paste it, use tab, go to the end, hit enter. Now everything looks fine. Now let's clear this and come to the sudo apt update command, which I can't type, but let's paste it as is, right? So it will go through the list and it will check all the options, and here you see everything is ready to go. We can type in sudo apt-get install redis, right? So let's paste it here and hit enter. It will tell you it has specific amount of disk space. Say yes to continue and it will start the download. After that it will install it and will release the prompt back at you. As you can see, it has installed the Redis. So we'll have to check whether redis-cli is installed as well. So Redis tools and server is installed. What we can do is we can clear this, and let's find out with nano. We can go to / etc redis, then redis-conf, right? Here you see there is nothing, so we can use, right? Next thing we will just use sudo systemctl, then start, then redis-server, right? So everything looks good. You can use systemctl status redis-server. Hopefully everything is working. So we can use Ctrl+C, come out of it and clear this. Now what we can do is we can use redis-cli and hit enter, and here you see we are in Redis server with port 6379. Now here if we type in ping and then if we put on message, let's say message something like my name, and it will return that. If we just do ping, it should return pong, right? So you have to put some echoing message to return back. So if you can see this, that means you have Redis database installed. Now you can go ahead and use all of those commands that you want on Redis and work ahead.